Say something. Oh yeah? What does that mean? What does that mean? Talk to me. You're a big baby. How come you don't want to go to sleep? You're playing? Hey. Hey, Mona. And doggy to you. That's a cool outfit. Oh man, I like those pants. I like those pants, Mona. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey. 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 What are you doing? What are you doing? You're kind of funny. That shirt doesn't fit you anymore. Mommy's mean, huh? Because she puts stuff that doesn't fit you anymore. You never wear it. What? Mona. It's kind of funny. What? Should we go see? What's that? I like the way you cough. Remember when you coughed and farted at the same time? Remember when you did that? That was pretty funny. That was pretty funny. ¿Ya te dejo en paz? Yeah, you want me to leave you alone? Little girl, you want me to leave you alone? Why? You want to come with me to go get a cup of coffee? Go take a walk. Come on, let's go take a walk. You want to go take a walk with me? Oh, I see.